So I recorded a bunch for this video, and I went to upload it, and I went to go look at my past videos for like links for the description, and I found a way better explanation of everything I explained in what I recorded today. So I'll just play that.
Alright, so I kind of already recorded this video, but I was sick. I still am, but I guess I'm less sick now. So to start off, I built a new case for the CSGO Prop. I took out the bomb in the name because I don't want to say bomb a bunch. I rewrote the program in Python, so now on the Raspberry Pi it runs much faster as opposed to taking like a minute and a half to start up. This takes like 20 seconds. As for the diffusal game mode, I made a few changes. Now it is an instant plant. You don't have to wait like 3 seconds to plant it. There's an actual diffuse timer, so it's not just you put in the code and it's diffused. You can adjust all that in the settings, and if you get the code wrong, it locks you out for a predetermined amount of time. I also added 2 new game modes, King of the Hill and Secure Area. King of the Hill, if no one claims the hill, then it goes to a draw. If someone does claim the hill, they have to hold it for 5 minutes total time, not just in that one instance. And then you can switch between the 2 teams. For Secure Area, which is the other one I added, it's kind of like Secure Area in Siege, where the attackers have to physically hold down a button, and that secures the quote-unquote biohazard container.
Failed to secure the bio container in time.
And if they stop holding it, it decreases.
And now for the part I recorded today. Okay, I can't handle this. I got a keyboard. I got a micro USB cable so I can plug that keyboard in. So it has the same Python file that I have on there, but on here, and then I can run it. Do I want to go full screen? Yes. That is why I need the keyboard. That's literally it. And then, as you can see, it's a lot faster than the old version. You can play around with settings. I don't know why the rounds are so long here, but not here. So yeah, there's that. I can flash some hidden stuff. Okay, that's it. I also want to do a little bit of like commentary. So the speakers are literally just cut out holes in the box. There's one on that side and then one over here. The way that you turn it on is by opening the box, which is a Steam Link box, by the way. Best use of the $5. It's a Raspberry Pi attached to a screen. Here's a battery bank. Here's a bunch of like a power circuit that I never used. It's just in here because I want to. It has its own switch that was soldered in. And then this little USB switch, it goes from the power bank to the Raspberry Pi. You just flip the switch and then the screen will turn on. Oh, never mind. Okay, you flip the switch. It was in its on position. I just shut the thing down. So now we get green light there and it turns on. There we go. Also, if someone has a 3D printer, please send it to me. This is a mess. I don't like using duct tape and old computer boxes. Okay, goodbye.